8 personal finance lessons to transform your life. Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. Did you know that 76% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? That's a shocking statistic that really hits home for many of us. But listen, it doesn't have to be this way. Today, we're going to dive into the 8 greatest personal finance lessons that have the power to completely transform your life. So buckle up and let's get started. You know, folks, I've said it before and I'll say it again. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll wonder where it went. That's why the first lesson, the foundation of it all, is creating a budget. I'm talking about a plan for your money, a written plan, where you sit down and tell every single dollar where it's going. Write down your income, every single source. Then list out all your expenses: rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment, everything. And listen, I mean everything, even that daily coffee run. You gotta be honest with yourself here. Now the fun part, look for areas where you can cut back. Can you brown bag your lunch a couple of times a week? Maybe skip eating out this month? Trust me, you'll be surprised how much you can save by making small changes. Once you've trimmed the fat, allocate your money towards your needs and wants. And remember, needs and wants are different. Stick to your budget. It's not enough to just create a plan, you gotta follow it. Let me tell you something, folks. Life happens. Cars break down, you lose your job, the roof starts leaking. You never know what curveballs life will throw your way. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. Think of it as your financial safety net, a cushion to fall back on when unexpected expenses pop up. Without it, you'll be forced to rely on credit cards or loans, which can lead to a dangerous cycle of debt. Now, I recommend starting with a starter emergency fund of $1,000. This will cover most minor emergencies and give you some breathing room. Once you've hit that goal, focus on building a fully funded emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Having that peace of mind knowing you can weather any storm is priceless. Keep it in a separate, easily accessible account like a high-yield savings account or money market account. Remember, this money is for emergencies only, not for that new phone or vacation you've been eyeing. Start building your emergency fund today. Now let's talk about debt, folks. Debt can be a real drag, a heavy weight on your shoulders, keeping you from achieving your financial goals. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like you're drowning in debt, it's time to take action. The first step is to identify and prioritize your debts. Make a list of all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, car loans, and any other outstanding balances. Next, focus on paying off your high-interest debts first. These are the debts that are costing you the most money in interest charges, and they're the ones you want to get rid of as quickly as possible. Choose the method that works best for you and your personality. Remember, debt is not a tool, it's a trap. It's time to break free from the chains of debt and start living a life of financial freedom. You know, folks, too many people are content to let their money just sit there, losing value to inflation. But you're different. You want to make your money work for you, and that's where investing comes in. Investing is simply putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to grow over time. Think of it as planting seeds that will grow into a bountiful harvest in the future. Now, there are many different ways to invest, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. The key is to find investments that align with your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Don't be intimidated by the stock market. You don't need to be a financial expert to invest. You just need to educate yourself and make informed decisions. Start by investing in low-cost index funds or target date funds. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start investing today, even if it's just a small amount. Let's be honest, folks, managing your finances can be a real chore. Who wants to spend hours every month balancing their checkbook, paying bills, and tracking expenses? Not me, that's for sure. That's why I'm a huge advocate for automating your finances. Automating your finances simply means setting up systems that will handle your money management tasks for you automatically. This frees up your time and mental energy so you can focus on other things, like spending time with loved ones, pursuing your passions, or just relaxing. Start by setting up automatic bill payments for all your recurring expenses, like your mortgage or rent, utilities, and credit card bills. This ensures you never miss a payment and avoids late fees. Next, Automate your savings. Set up regular automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, retirement accounts, and any other investment accounts you may have. By automating your finances, you'll be amazed at how much easier and less stressful managing your money becomes. Chapter 6. Educate yourself about personal finance. Knowledge is power. You know, folks, in the world of personal finance, knowledge is power. The more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that will impact your financial well-being. Don't be afraid to ask questions, read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars. There are countless resources available to help you expand your financial literacy. One of my favorite ways to learn about personal finance is by reading books. There are so many great books out there written by financial experts who have been in the trenches and have a wealth of knowledge to share. Another great way to stay informed is by listening to podcasts. Remember, the more you learn about personal finance, the more confident and empowered you'll become in managing your money. Chapter 7. Set specific financial goals. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Now let's talk about goals, folks. You see, without goals, you're just drifting along, hoping for the best but not really going anywhere. But with clear, specific financial goals, you have a target to aim for, a roadmap to guide you. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to buy a house, pay off debt, retire early? Whatever your dreams are, write them down and make them as specific as possible. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, set a specific goal like, I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 2 years. Once you have your goals, break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make them seem less daunting and more achievable. Having specific goals and a plan to achieve them will keep you motivated and on track. Chapter 8. Practice gratitude and contentment. Live a richer life. Now, folks, we've talked a lot about the practical aspects of personal finance, but there's another crucial element that often gets overlooked: gratitude and contentment. You see, in a world of consumerism and keeping up with the Joneses, it's easy to get caught up in the endless cycle of wanting more, bigger, and better. But true wealth isn't about how much stuff you accumulate. It's about finding contentment and gratitude for what you already have. Take some time each day to appreciate the good things in your life: your health, your loved ones, your home, even the simple things like a warm cup of coffee or a beautiful sunset. When you focus on what you're grateful for, it shifts your perspective and helps you appreciate the abundance in your life. Take control of your financial future. Well, folks, there you have it. 8 personal finance lessons that have the potential to change your life for the better. By implementing these lessons into your daily routine, you can take control of your finances and work towards a brighter financial future. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress one step at a time. Let's support each other on this journey to financial empowerment. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content that will help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.